My dear brothers and sisters, I am compelled to speak out against the injustices that have been perpetrated by the John Roberts Supreme Court. As I stand before you today, I am reminded of the words I spoke many years ago. The arc of the moral universe is long, but it bends towards justice. However, I must say that the decisions of this court have at times sought to bend that arc in the opposite direction. One of the most egregious examples is the court's decision in Shelby County v. Holder, which gutted the Voting Rights Act of 1964. This landmark legislation, which we fought so hard to pass, was a crucial step towards ensuring that all Americans, regardless of the color of their skin, had equal access to the ballot box. By striking down key provisions of the act, the court has allowed states to implement voter suppression laws that disproportionately affect Latino Americans, African Americans, and other minority groups. Furthermore, the court's decision in Citizens United v. FEC has unleashed a torrent of dark money into our political system, allowing corporations and special interest groups to exert undue influence over our elections. This has led to a situation where the voices of the wealthy and powerful are amplified, while the voices of ordinary citizens are drowned out. As I said in my sermon, where do we go from here? We must come to see that the end we seek is a society at peace with itself, a society that can live with its conscience. The Roberts Court has also failed to address the issue of mass incarceration, which has even more devastated Latino and African American communities and perpetuated systemic racism. The court's decision in Florence v. Board of Chosen Freeholders, which allowed for the routine strip searching of arrestees, is a stark example of how the justice system can be used to degrade and dehumanize individuals, particularly those from marginalized communities. And I must also express my deep disappointment with the court's decision in Burwell v. Hobby Lobby, which allowed corporations to cite religious objections to deny employees access to birth control. This decision is a stark reminder that the struggle for reproductive justice and women's rights is far from over. So I say to you today, we must continue to push forward. We must continue to demand justice, equality, and freedom for all. We must continue to challenge the systems of oppression that seek to hold us back. And we must continue to believe in the power of nonviolent resistance, which has been the hallmark of our movement from the beginning. As I said in a prior speech on those steps of this Lincoln Memorial, the whirlwinds of revolt will continue to shake the foundations of our nation until the bright day of justice emerges. That bright day has not yet arrived, but I have faith that it will come. And when it does, we will look back on the struggles of today as a necessary step towards a brighter tomorrow. Thank you.